All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Shoe Game. I'm just going to go ahead and do these next three episodes all on the same day. So I will be wearing the same stuff. And then tomorrow I'll get to those new shoes I was talking about, and I'll just film both of those in the same day because I've been procrastinating with getting all my shoes to you guys. So for the next shoe we're back to the Jordan 1 mid. This is a mid, Jordan 1 mid, the metallic gold. I think it's technically called metallic gold, white, black, or something like that. But the metallic gold mid, it's a mid, and it's like a shiny metallic gold, as you can tell. The inside's normal, nothing special. But I like the shoe. All the mids are what they are. I kind of like at the top, they have the metallic, like a shiny metallic black shoe hole or lace hole right here on the top two. And again, you can just wear these pop. So I wear a lot of black. So most of what I wear is black or white, black, white, gray, but mostly just black. So you throw in all black with these, you'll pop. These came out November 30th, 2020. Yeah, November 30th, 2020. And then they retail for 125. Right now they're only reselling for 145. So they haven't, again, it's a mid, so it hasn't gone up in value that much. So if you like these, you're actually looking to get them. If you go on StockX or GOAT, it's only 140. So you're pretty much getting them retail value. Which this is one thing I do like about the mids. If you're kind of late on getting them or you want to get them later, they're usually not too crazy expensive to get resale like you would with the retro. But yeah, these are the black metallic golds. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll catch you next time.